Okay, I apologize for that previous video. Here's one in landscape mode here. Page 1 there. Okay, another page here. Yeah, I don't know why it was stuck on portrait mode there, so. Okay. Hopefully this is helpful. If we could turn the page 4 to 6, okay. There's this next page here. And going over to this one. Page 7. Page 8. Programming instructions. And how to use. Definitions. So QR code, get the app. Okay. Next page. App unlock and lock. And then IC card. How to use the E keys. And passage mode auto lock. Quick setup. Factory default settings. Some questions and answers for the troubleshooting. And FCC statement. Not sure if anyone wants to read that or not. And information. Okay, friends. So hopefully that's helpful. Thanks for watching.